G here from OG Creations. It's February, which means love is in the air. It also means it's time for another mini collection. This year, the mini collections are Two in the Pink and Rosebud. You can watch the creation of last week's drop of Two in the Pink by clicking the link above. Before dyeing, I soaked all of the items in a soda ash bath for 20 minutes and placed them in the spin cycle in the washing machine until they were damp but not wet to the touch. They were then covered in Garment Trading Company's Scarlett dye and set aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warm location, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees. Everything is then rinsed in cold water, laundered using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle before receiving another 20-minute soda ash bath and spun until almost dry. I use the crumple technique on the pouch and booty, and then the spiral technique on the waist, and secure it with a rubber band. Look at that well-blossomed rosebud. Question: have you ever had that favorite bottom that you couldn't wait to sink yourself into? Or that favorite top that feels so good you never want it to pull out? Off. You never want to pull it off. Anyway, if you said yes to one or both of these, then the Rosebud series is for you. My goal was to create a flirty, colorful set that my customers would never want to take off and would look as good as they feel. For the t-shirts and tanks, I start with smoothing out the fabric completely. I then fan fold each one lengthwise before rolling them up using the spiral technique and securing them with a rubber band. I then applied Dharma Trading Company's Fiber Reactive Procyon dye in maroon, covering the entire item, and then set it aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warm location somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees. If you're liking the way these are turning out, make sure to click the link above so you can grab yours now, because someone may be grabbing you later, and you'll want to look cute for that. As a firm believer in the adage, if you stay ready, you won't have to get ready, all items are rinsed until the water runs clear. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being completely dried, they are ironed, inventoried, and ready to cover your goodies. Just look at these. I love the way they turned out. They're fun and vibrant and super sexy for that special Valentine's night out. I know when you're balls deep in them, you're gonna gush over them. I hope you have a fantastic Valentine's. And to help make mine a little sweeter, please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.